Hello, it is me again. So I took some little lawnmower blades, flattened them out in the forge, and I put an edge on them, so they're basically really heavy machetes. There's a pair. It's beautiful, I know. When I mean heavy, these things are like, look how thick that is. That's what she said, but look how thick that is. There's two of them. You know, the usual $5. Like, by this point, I have so many machetes, I'm selling them. You only need about 5, 6 of your own. I just thought they looked kind of cool. There's that for you. Bye.